I'm going to explain what Sponsored Brands is and how it can help you reach new customers in 60 seconds. So Sponsored Brands is a type of Amazon ad you can run if you're enrolled in Amazon's brand registry. To launch it, you would go on Advertising, then Sponsored Brands. Then you would choose your goal for the campaign, which is whether to drive page visits or to grow brand impressions. It can either look like this, which is a product collection, or like this, which is store spotlights, or it can be a video, which is my favorite, of course. This is important because with product collection, for example, you can upload a custom image of your product in a realistic setting to inspire shoppers. They can appear in top of search results, in product detail pages, or inline videos just like this. Remember when I told you should do your entire branding to target your perfect customer? This is when it starts to pay off. Think about sponsored brands like your grocery store end cap, which will help shoppers notice you more. And when shoppers click on this ad, you can direct them to your brand store, to your product detail page, or to a new landing page. To learn more about how to get started with Sponsored Brands, visit the link in my bio.